We've been here our whole lives, so it's just home, innit? It is.
It is. We put up with the good and the bad. Jobs are pretty scarce.
Your options are pretty limited in Swansea. There's call centres, factory stuff.
I've never really thought about leaving Swansea. I did when I was younger. I always thought I would get out of Swansea, but I'm really content here. I do love living here. And I know where I am with the sea next to me.
Swansea, city, said I, standing on the north bank until the daylight die. Take me to the Betchfield, all way down by the sea, where I will follow Swansea, Swansea city.
I love Swansea.
You know, when I started off in the 70s, the Welsh didn't really have a lot of bands out there, but there's so much talent now.
We've been playing for almost 11 years now together. Me, you and Daryl.
Yeah, how long have I actually been in the band then?
2 years?
Too long.
I would never be in a band just for the sake of like professional music or anything.
I see it as more like a DIY kind of scene, just everyone getting together, helping out, putting together shows. Like, you don't get much help from other people, so you have to come together as a community.
You fellas. Well, Wales, innit? Cymru.
Well, we've got plenty of hoil.
What does it mean?
Passion.
But the Welsh culture itself comes out, isn't it? There's a lot of feeling, a lot of heart.
For such a small place, Swansea has got quite a big punk scene.
To hear live music, whether it's loud or whatever, you've got to take your hat off to these people because they're actually trying to get out there. The only downside of it all is the venues are closing.
So we're about to go past Mozart's on your right, by here. That'd be Mozart's.
This is where people sleep after Mozart. In a bush.
I love it.
Wendy is the matriarch.
We have all kinds of music here. We're known for punk because we have more punk than anything else. They just came and never went home, really.
I think Mozart's is one of a kind place.
It seems very community-based, Mozart's. Like a family almost to it. It's the most DIY punk kind of feeling venue playing Swansea. Stood there face to face with all your mates.
Because I've got 3 kids of my own, a lot of these originally were their friends. Because we try and make everybody welcome. We don't charge for the room or anything they make on merch or on the door is theirs. I've tried to make a place sort of home from home for people that maybe couldn't get anywhere else.
It is there and it is thriving, you just need to know where to look for it.
Punk music, well, I've never really experienced it much myself, but I'm sure it's pretty good and the youths enjoy it around here.
Sempre dá,